Hello and welcome to Martin Maths. We're doing some IBDP2 questions where we've got an exponential graph, g of x equal to 2 times 1.6 to the x, and f of x equal to 5 minus 2x. And we want to know where those two graphs meet. So my guest presenter is going to talk us through how we enter them into the calculator and what we do to solve for the point of intersection. You've entered the two graphs there. Yeah? What do you do next?
So next we go to graph, and they should load up.
Okay. So you can see that's the reciprocal graph being plotted there, and hopefully we'll see the linear shooting down.
And then we go second function.
So the second function was the blue button there.
Calculate.
Calculate.
And option 5, which is intersect.
Yeah.
And we choose the first curve of the two graphs.
First curve, okay.
And the second curve below the intersection.
Right.
And then you hit enter.
Okay, could you talk me through that again? So you chose the first point you chose the first graph and then the second graph.
Yeah. So
the second function, intersect. And you have the first curve.
First curve always below the intersection, and the second curve as well below the intersection.
Oh, below where they meet.
Yes.
Okay. And then
you click enter.
Okay. And that gives us that point, 0.94. Okay, fantastic. 0.94 we get. Then another quick question is, imagine we have another function. It's a complex function, h of x equals to 2x minus 50 over x squared. And we want to know what minimum point is in the positive x-axis. So maybe it's representing some function for time or money. So we're not interested in the negative part, but we want to know what that graph does when x is greater than 0, if we're going to solve some problems on that. So my guest presenter has entered that in on his screen there, and then what do?
We click graph.
Graph that. And it's plotting it there. As you can see, it's quite a complex function.
And then we go second function, calculate, and minimum value.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, my mistake. I should have done a positive. Can we change that to a positive?
Oh.
Yeah, that's why we're not going to get a minimum in that section. Sorry, my error. So there, we've got positive there. Yeah, so easy to change there. So I want to know what the minimum part of that. Yeah, I want to know how will you find out that point there?
We hit second function.
Second function.
Calculate.
Yeah.
Option 3.
So you're just scrolling down to option 3. Yeah.
You choose the left side of the lowest point, which is here.
Okay.
Roughly, and then the right side, which is there. And then you click enter.
So it must be doing some kind of iteration to get that. And then we go x equal to 3.68. Fantastic, there we go. So that's two little exercises to find out point of intersection and minimum using our GDC. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.